Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Here I have a table with order information, and I want to quickly summarize it to see the total quantity for each order. To do this, select a cell where you want your pivot table, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table window, select your data range, for example, a 1 to F16, and click OK. Excel will generate a blank pivot table on a new sheet. Now, let's add fields. Tick the boxes for order ID and quantity. By default, Excel will try to sum everything, but to display each order individually, drag order ID to the rows area and leave quantity in the values area. Your pivot table now shows each order ID as a row with the total quantity beside it. You can even rename the row labels to something clearer, like order ID, for a cleaner look. And just like that, you've created a pivot table to summarize your data in seconds. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.